Tips and home remedies to stop snoring. An estimated 45% of adults snore at least on occasion. Snoring occurs when your tongue, the palate, and the uvula vibrate against your tonsils and lymph nodes. Generally speaking, snoring is a sign that you may be overweight or obese. It's also associated with a common cold, allergies, drinking too much alcohol before going to bed, and smoking. Whatever the cause, snoring can be very annoying for the people around you who have to endure it. Additionally, most snorers suffer from poor sleep quality because they're waking themselves up several times in the night. Although it's difficult to stop snoring in its tracks at any given moment, there are some natural ways to help alleviate this problem. If you find that you snore on a regular basis, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor and rule out any problems you could be having with your respiratory system. Tips to stop snoring. Sleep on your side. When you sleep on your back, your tongue and palate fall toward the back of the throat, blocking your airway and causing you to snore. If you're not able to sleep on your side, a few tricks might help, including sleeping with a tennis ball behind you. If you start to roll onto your back, the ball will be uncomfortable enough to return you to your side. Use extra pillows. Try sleeping with additional pillows to make your head higher than the rest of your body. This keeps your airway open and prevents snoring. Lose weight. If you're overweight or obese, it's important to consider all your options for weight loss if you really want to stop snoring. Being overweight causes a lot of health problems and is a major cause of snoring. Quit smoking. Smoking irritates and inflames your upper respiratory system, which causes you to snore more heavily. Avoiding cigarettes is a good decision when it comes to stopping the snoring and improving your overall quality of life. Avoid alcohol before bedtime. Drinking within 3 hours of going to bed can make your tongue, tonsils, and the roof of your mouth relax, causing a loud vibration every time you breathe during sleep. Effective remedies for snoring. Gargle with mint. When snoring is caused by a cold or an allergy, one effective remedy is to gargle with mint before going to bed. To do this, add a drop of peppermint oil to a glass of cold water and gargle, don't swallow. Another option is to prepare mint tea and gargle with the liquid. Nettle tea. If your snoring is caused by allergies or other respiratory problems, it's important to air out your bedroom and get rid of any dust and dirt. Also, drink a cup of nettle tea that you can make by adding a teaspoon of dried leaves to boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 5 minutes. Nettle is considered to be a natural antihistamine. Onion. One classic way to fight snoring is to cut an onion in half, salt it lightly, and place it on a plate near your headboard. Salt and baking soda. This remedy helps unclog your nose and airways when you're having problems with snoring. Just mix a cup of water at room temperature with half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Rinse your nostrils with this using a bulb syringe before going to bed. olive oil and rue. To make this natural remedy you need to add 50 grams of root to a jar and chop it with olive oil. Cover and store in a cool, dark place for 2 weeks, and then apply it to the bridge of your nose, your neck, and throat before bedtime. Exercise. In addition to helping you lose weight, another way to fight snoring, getting exercise is key to reducing this annoyance. Start by getting at least 30 minutes of exercise a day and soon you'll start seeing the difference.